Hey, how are you doing, sir? I did 2 other driveways on your street this last week.
Yeah.
The one on the left over there and the one on the right that look real bright. I saw yours was getting a little bit dirty. I was gonna see if I could do it for free for you.
For free? No.
I'm doing them all for free, actually.
Why is that?
I'm just taking video of myself doing the work, and I'm using it for my social media channels.
Well, I can pay you something.
Yeah, I know you can, but I'm really doing everything for free right now. Like, I'm not accepting any money, but if you want to take that money that you would pay me and pay it forward to someone else or donate it, that'd be awesome.
All right, sure.
Okay. Hey everyone, Spencer here with SB Pressure Washing, and while I was doing 2 driveways down the street, I saw that this one was getting really dirty and could use a wash. So I knocked on the door and offered to clean it up for free. I explained that I could take some video of the work and use it on my social media channels, but the homeowner still wanted to pay me. I told him that I would love for him to pay that money forward or to donate it. He said he would and that I could go ahead and do the work. So I got started making the front walkway and driveway look brand new again. Afterwards, he was shocked with how fast I got the work done and was super happy with it. So be sure to stay until the very end of this video to see his awesome reaction to the work and the before and after photos. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to click that follow button for me, as it's the best way to support this work that I do. And I hope you'll enjoy this awesome transformation. SB Pressure Washing, out. How do you think it turned out?
It looks great.
Yeah, it brightened up real good.
I went and looked at your mowing videos.
Yeah?
You're a very kind and generous man.
I tell people I'm really blessed to do this type of work.
Well, I'm glad I got to meet you. It looks great. How do you do it so fast? It takes me forever.
Yeah, I've got one of the big surface cleaners.
When I do it, it looks streaky.
Yeah, that's what usually happens if you do the whole thing with the wand. Is that what you usually do?
Yes. I can't thank you enough.
Yeah, I'm happy I can do it for you.